Good morning, One Hot Biters. Happy Monday. We are, as promised, gonna make peanut butter and jelly stuffed pancakes. So this is a pancake on the bottom, a pancake on the top, and a yummy stuffed center. So we're gonna put these together. They're super simple. They're multi-grain. So as you can see here, I have flour, I have cornmeal, I have peanut butter powder. That's the secret to keeping these low fat and healthy, is we're not adding real peanut butter with all the oil and everything. So if you have never tried powdered peanut butter before, some brands are incredible, some are not so much, but once you just add a little bit of water to it and you have peanut butter without the fat. It's fabulous. It's quite an ingredient. So we're going to use the powdered peanut butter today, and we have some rolled oats that are going to go in here as well. So we're going to put together our dry ingredients. We have our oven preheating at 350 degrees because we are going to bake these after we get the tops and bottoms all put together so that they're not raw in the center. So we're going to get our griddle going as well, but let's get our batter put together. And thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate having you come and play and cook with me every single day. We have a lot of fun in here. Okay, so we're gonna put all of our dry ingredients in first. We have 3/4 of a cup of flour. Then we have 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. We have 1/4 of a cup of our peanut butter powder. So good. We have 3 tablespoons of our oats. We have 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And in this bowl, I have 1/2 teaspoon of both baking powder, baking soda, and just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's get this mixed together really fast. And then we're gonna add our wet ingredients. So our wet ingredients are gonna be 1 large egg. We're just gonna plop him in there. We have 1 2/3 cup of low-fat buttermilk. Again, there's another calorie and fat saver right here. Let's get this stirred together really quick. And we're gonna just mix until everything is moist and smooth. Oh, you can smell the peanut butter. It's so good. I don't know about you, but I love all things peanut butter, so these are right up my alley. And then I have added, we're gonna put in the center raspberry jam, just because I really love raspberry jam the best. You can do orange marmalade, you can do strawberry, you could do grape, you can do whatever you want. So as you can see, I have one little baby here testing. We're just gonna kind of make sure that our heat is doing good. And we're going for about a medium-high heat on this. And as soon as the light tells me so, we'll go ahead and get these pancakes going. Okay, this little guy looks done. Let's taste him. Wow, these are really good. Okay, our goal is 3 tablespoons of batter. So I'm not good at measuring, that's why baking sometimes is not my strong suit. So we're gonna go for about 3 tablespoons for a pancake. And we're gonna load this up with as many as we can. So our goal here is to get 12 individual pancakes out of this batter. And then of course we're gonna top them, we're gonna make them a sandwich, so that will leave us with 6 pancake sandwiches. So our goal is to get them nice and bubbly on top, and then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of our raspberry jam in the center of 1/2 of these. Okay, so we're starting to see a lot of bubbles on the tops of these. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of jam, and we haven't flipped them yet, so it's not done on top. That's where we're gonna bake them a little bit. So we're gonna put a little dollop of jam in the center of every other one, because we're gonna try and match these together and seal the edges the best we can. So I think I'm gonna try and get fancy here and flop them over differently. So I have 6 tablespoons of raspberry jam here that should cover everything. And obviously you can stuff these as much as you want. I just wanna make sure that they seal and we don't make a mess. So we'll see how this goes. All right, let's see if we can top them. Perfect. And I'm trying to match sizes because I didn't measure like I'd mentioned. But these look really good. They're gonna match up really nice. Okay, we're gonna let them bake like sandwiches. Okay, we're gonna pull out the sandwiches we made. We're gonna just put them on a baking sheet here. And you can kind of press them together. The edges kind of ooze together pretty easily by themselves. And then we're gonna bake these. Okay, we're gonna pull our last ones off. And I'm gonna show you how you just kind of can pat the sides down and it completely seals it. So it makes him a sandwich. Okay, in the oven, 350, 12 minutes. Okay, so they're hot out of the oven. They look beautiful. The only thing we need to do is a little powdered sugar over the top. Woo. Haven't got a little crazy. Ooh, they're beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these on our beautiful plate. These are the best back to school protein-packed little snacks you can give your kids or yourself if you're going back to work. You can freeze these individually, wrapped once they cool, for up to 6 months. Reheat them in the microwave 2 minutes, and you have an incredible breakfast. One of these will run you 246 calories, give or take. Again, I didn't measure. And you're gonna have 8 grams of protein per little sandwich. 1 egg is 6 grams of protein. So if you're looking to up your protein intake, this is a great way of doing it. And there's only 6 grams of fat, which is awesome. That's super low. So let's plate these guys. They're still so beautiful and warm. And these are great breakfast, lunch, dinner. And it looks like we did it again, but this one is decadent and sweet. So let's see how they taste. I cut one open so it's ooey and gooey. You can see the layers. Let's have a bite. Wow, that tastes just like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You're getting it a pancake. You can slather these with butter as well. That's actually accounted for in the calories, so you don't have to feel guilty. I really don't like butter on my pancakes. I know it sounds like a sin, but these really don't need it. They are a decadent peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I will see you guys on Thursday.